As we get to the end of our alphabet, we can continue to spread the love to local businesses in Geneseo for the rest of the month of February. At Wachtel Dentistry, they ensure that patients receive the most advanced care using state-of-the-art technology. They are always accepting new patients. Call today and schedule your appointment. Team WTI is a progressive digital marketing and web company with nearly 2 decades of experience. The talented team is focused on search engine optimization, pay-per-click marketing, social media management and marketing, and web design and development services. Werner Investment Properties, Inc. offers custom remodeling and whole house renovation, buying, fixing, selling, and renting homes, as well as residential and light commercial renovations. Werner Restoration Services, Inc. is the premier fire and water mitigation contractor, utilizing quality workmanship, honest prices, and compassion for our customers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Your friendly local UScellular team can help keep you up to date on the latest phone trends, apps, updates, and more. Stop in at 1225 South Oakwood Avenue today and enter to win a chance at Quad City Storm tickets, including dinner, drinks, and more. At Wisdom Financial Services, they believe that with a powerful purpose, money can be used as a tool to fulfill what you want to create in life. Let them help you create the life you want. WQAD offers local news, weather, and sports in the Quad Cities region. Email your news tips to news@wqad.com. Wyffels Hybrids is an independently owned seed company in an industry of multinational giants. Don't forget to continue to give some love on social media. And thanks for loving local.